Hello there, this is gonna be a quick one. I just figured out something weird and I wanted to share with you all. I wanted to combine these 5 pictures into a single one, like use this model with this jacket, wearing these sunglasses, holding a Negroni with this background. I wanted to replace this horse and knight with the model wearing all of this. I was thinking maybe I should use a step-by-step prompt to make sure that first of all this guy is in this background. Then I wanted to put this guy wear the jacket and then wear the sunglasses and hold the Negroni. It could have been a 5-step process, or I could just give the 5 images as reference and create one big prompt that would compile all of them into a single coherent image. And when I was thinking about it, I thought maybe having all of them at once would be a bad idea because there would be too much to focus on, too much things to change, and the image generation would be tired, like it would forget things and hallucinate. And instead of that, I thought I should do step-by-step process. And let me show you the step-by-step results. Okay, I will show you 8 seed dream images like here. I put the guy in the background. Then I'll show you 8 nano banana images because these two are the ones I most utilize when it comes to photorealistic images. And I immediately saw some of the things that went wrong, like the horse there, the lightning here, and the positioning here and there. Like I wasn't really happy, but all 8 results were in that level, so I figured why not continue. Then I added the glasses. These are the Nano Banana ones, and then no, these are the Sea Dream ones. Then these are the Nano Banana ones. The glasses are on. Then I put the jacket on. Like Sea Dream is still going strong. Nano Banana is like dropping the ball here like hard. He doesn't even wear it halfway, or like in 3 of the images he doesn't wear the jacket at all, and 2 of the images he is just one siding. It's like, what is that? 8 out of 3 is only a complete iteration. Then I put the Negroni, and Sea Dream was doing weird stuff with the, like there is a plank here. Why is there a plank there? I'm not sure. But there were some results that were looking promising. Like this is not the worst result. Maybe even this. Okay, I wasn't sure what to expect. Nano Banana was way worse than Seed Dream. Like having the drink in the air, having 3 arms. Like at this point, it was going crazy. The results are like dog shit. I'm not really sure what to feel about this. Then I thought, hey, like why not just use it in a single prompt and get the output that way? And to get that, I needed to have a good prompt. And I just opened up the Google AI Studio, which utilizes Gemini 2.5 Pro. I put the images and asked it to generate me an image generation prompt that references the images uploaded. And I explained what I wanted, like the male model wearing the jacket, he wears red glasses, holds the Negroni like in the image, but with the backdrop of the fantasy image given, like the result should be photorealistic, and if the images are not in photorealistic style, like you should use it as an inspiration. I was talking about Negroni because this is like well, this is a poster, and I don't want it to be a poster in the final image. I want a Negroni glass in his hand. Then it generated me a great prompt, like a full body photorealistic fashion photography. Handsome Asian male, black hair, he's wearing 2 hat jacket, it explained all of the composition here. Pink heart shaped sunglasses, confident lows Negroni cocktail in short glass with ice and orange slice garnish. And it explained the background also, like this could even work if we had no reference images. Like it wouldn't be the exact same thing, but it would be in the same wavelength of what we want. But when I created the images with these, like, just take a look at this. This was the best Nano Banana result I got. As you can see, like, this is pretty much better than what we had here. Like, these were the Nano Banana results when you did it the step-by-step way. This is the single prompt version. Like, incredible. The glasses is true. The sunglasses, like, this is Negroni is right. Like, it's the same kind-ish, kind of. Like, the background is not the same, but it's in the same wavelength. Like, I could accept that. And Sea Dream even did it better. He is holding the position. He's holding his Negroni. The background is the same. He is standing on the ground like firmly. It's acceptable-ish way. He is posing. He has the glasses. Everything worked here. And even when you closely look at the Negroni, it has these pixelations that I had in the reference image. Like, this was amazing. Like, I didn't think a single prompt generation would be better than step by step with these image generations models, especially in the photorealistic world, because I thought like it would forget too much, it would hallucinate things, but it turns out they can just handle this now. Okay, yeah. So when you need to work with five different stuff, like I think they allow up to eight in most models now. If you want to handle a lot of stuff, just you run them in a single generation and reference them well in your prompt. And to let me show you what I did in the free pick. And this was how I did it in the free pick. I I used the same prompt given by Gemini. I just mentioned like at image 4, like image 4 is the man, so Asian male model at image 4 to reference it the right way, like with sleek black hair, he's wearing a two-tone card jacket. Image 3 is the jacket, like heart-shaped sunglasses from image 2, and that kind of referencing works well in FreePic, and you can't really do that if you are using the other websites, but I think FreePic is good for generating these kind of images. So if you want to reference one-shot these kind of well created and composed images, I would suggest heavily like investing in a tool like this. And that's it. Like, I was surprised by this, and I wanted to share this testing session with you. And I hope you utilize this and do not make the mistake of going step by step like I did today. You just need to generate a great prompt that combines everything in a well-mannered and structured position, and boom, voila, you get one-shot great results. Crazy.